Howdy, it is Armando Espinosa with Empire Properties Team eXp Realty, and I am with a buyer for one of my listings that we just closed on 38 County Road in Dayton, Texas. Beautiful property that Miss Laura here is with me to talk about her experience on the first contact and looking at the property for sale, and then not waiting like a lot of sometimes buyers do that wait sometimes. But she knew what she wanted and was able to capture that. So we're here to talk about that and get eyes on the property that she bought. So yeah, take it away. All right, Laura, congratulations on your closing of the property here in Dayton. How was your experience overall with everything and getting eyes on the property, securing it, and communication and all that?
My experience has been a great experience. Armando has been a huge help. He's been very responsive in answering any questions that I've had. And the process was really smooth and quick, and I was very impressed.
Awesome. So would you say that, from beginning to the middle to the end and in the very end, explanation on, paperwork and who's paying what and what you're paying and all that stuff, was that pretty clear to you?
Yes, everything was absolutely clear.
Awesome. Well, let's take a little tour of the property. I'm sure the folks at home is going to want to see what you got. It just rained, so we have some puddles here. So, and then we had the RV as well. And let's see here. There we go. And yeah, and you have a shed for utility, like your lawnmower and all that. So it's a beautiful piece of property here out in Dayton, Texas. And other than that, that's a wrap. Any last words about your closing today?
Just glad that it went smoothly and quickly, and looking forward to build a small barn dominium here out in Dayton, Texas.
Yeah, let's talk about that real quick. So barn dominium, when is that supposed to start? Maybe in the next year or two, or?
Well, we hope as soon as possible. So we've already sent over the plans that we want to the builder, and we're waiting on a quote.
Awesome.
So.
Congratulations. And you're not a first timer in real estate, right? You just...
Correct. So I did just sell a commercial/residential combo deal.
Yeah.
So.
Well, good for you. Well, congratulations again to your property here that you just closed on, and I was able to help you transact and help you buy one of my listings. So
thank you.
you're very welcome. Take care.
Bye.